Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System. And here we're going to select Reset Options and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything that you would like to back up, do it right now. If you don't, or maybe you have already backed up your device, you can proceed further by selecting Erase All Data twice. And if you have some kind of screen lock, you do need to confirm it. I don't, so it automatically jumps to resetting the tablet, which will take about 2, maybe 3 minutes to finish up. And once it's completed, I'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.